Hi everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2017 Dodge Durango GT. This is an all-wheel drive SUV with third row seating. It's got a black exterior and a black interior. Come around to the rear of the vehicle. We've got our Dodge Durango GT all-wheel drive badging, power opening and closing trunk, and just push button to close there. Take a look at the rear and third row seats. So we've got this rear seat folded down right now just so you can see into the third row, and of course you can easily fold that up as needed. And then we'll take a look at the front of the vehicle. Alright, now we'll take a look at our driver's side. So, driver door controls, driver seat controls, driver seat, steering wheel. Next we'll hop inside the vehicle, and we do have a push button ignition. Mileage in this vehicle currently at 55,921. And here we have our touchscreen display. You can see climate controls here. We do have heated seats for driver and passenger, as well as a heated steering wheel. Radio, navigation, and backup camera. And we saw climate controls here, but you can also access most of those functions right here. And if you're interested in getting additional information, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.